So I'm getting ready to go to the Beyonce Renaissance concert. Getting ready to go to the Beyonce Renaissance concert. I can't wait to go. Look, I did my hair, did some rhinestones, put it in a ponytail. Long ponytail. And yeah, I'm excited. I didn't think I was gonna get to go, but I don't know, it just happened randomly. I was like, I wanted to visit my brother, but he was like, oh, he's gonna go to the Beyonce concert around that time. And then we looked at tickets, and apparently there was one right next to where he was gonna be at. So I just purchased it, and here we are. We're going to the Beyonce concert. Hey, I'm excited. Yeah, I'm in LA for the Beyonce concert. So excited. I am so excited. I can't wait. It starts at 8. So, yeah. These contacts in so I can put on my makeup because I can't see. but this one eye is irritating me. But anyway, I am, getting ready for my day because yesterday, I couldn't record because I was just so into Beyonce's concert yesterday. Like, it was so amazing, and you just had to be 100% there to actually experience it, and it was really good. It was for like 3 hours, so I was tired, but after that we went to the club in West Hollywood, I believe. Went to 2 clubs there, so came home around like 4 something, close to 5. And I'm getting too old for this club lifestyle. I don't do this. Okay, so but I had a great time last night. It was really good. I'm getting ready to go out today. I'm gonna go to a Basquiat exhibition today and see what else LA has today. I'm just here for a vibe. I'm really here to, spend some time with my little brother, but I also want to explore LA too because this is my first time being here. And so I'm gonna get ready right now. I have on my Beyonce shirt that I got at the concert, and even though they sell these on Amazon, I was like, oh, it could be a good house shirt or whatever. But I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna go put some makeup on, get dressed, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, we just saw the Urban Light, and I should have went in the morning because it was packed, which was expected because we went around like 5 where the sun is going. Is it sunset? Yeah, sunset. So a lot of people are obviously going to be there. But we still got some shots, and I'm going to add them to the clip so you guys can see. Ooh, these buildings are looking nice. Let me show you guys. Like, look at this. I could totally live there if I was single. I could totally live here if I was single with no kids, maybe. Yeah, it's too expensive here. But it's nice to visit that I got a brother here that I could actually go to LA and see it. And it's nice. So now we're going to Hollywood. And I'm gonna be like a tourist. I'm living my tourist. Bitch, let me show you guys what shoes I'm wearing. Oh my gosh. So I'm wearing these Isabel Marant shoes. Oh my gosh. They're cute, but they come with a challenge because I almost bust my ass. I almost bust my ass. Every time I wear these shoes, I almost fall, or I was close to falling. Last time I had fall on these shoes, the rope part had broke, so I had to go to the repair shop, the shoe repair shop, and actually get them fixed because I fell in them. They're so cute though, but they're heavy. I guess beauty is pain, like they say. But anyway, we are going to Hollywood, and I'm gonna see the famous stars. Yeah, live my tourist life. So yeah.
The AC or you want the natural?
Natural.
Oh, excuse me. It's natural.
Yeah, because when the AC's on, I get more sick. Whoa. Yeah, so we just left the lighthouse. Or that's not even. It's Urban Light, and it's at.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
Oh boy, if you don't put your seatbelt on. I got my seatbelt on because I'm a mom.
Two-fold baby king, fucking me. I am here, ho, ice cream, booger, color, piss, sub-zero, no, ho, hookers in my clique. We don't veer, ho, lit. I gotta wait, I gotta politic, I gotta bait. Ain't no apologies when I get paid. A dermatologist, I want the face. Don't talk to me when I stump in this bitch. Ho, pussy watery. I got the tuna fish. Ho, yeah. These niggas acting like groupie, Little bitch, she wanna get mad, cause I keep on looking, all in her boobie, I got the furniture options, my U-Haul moving, coochie to coochie, I buy the toe when I shop it, rapping on 2-seat, now it looks spooky, Easy, there boy, shit get greedy, there boy, I rap easy, there boy, my gang need me, there boy, if my sex tapes leak your bitch on TV, there boy, watch her bleed me, there boy, shit get greedy, there boy. I must admit, I am a mess, I cannot fix it, little baby dick, Margiela sweats, look at my dick print, fuck all the rats, if you confess, that is a big hit, fuck all the rats, if you confess, it get addressed. Have you ever been punched in your motherfucking face? What you say? Oh, you haven't? Alright, wait, bitch. I want the fade, I want the fade. Give me my fade, I want the fade. I need the fade, I need my. Just come outside for the night. Yeah, take your time, get your life. Dirty night.
So we just got done taking photos with some palm trees in the background, and I think it was a success. I will definitely put some pictures so you guys can see. It was a struggle because, it's kind of weird seeing people like doing content as a normal thing, because where I'm at, people don't do it at all. So it was a little crowded there every time we were trying to take shots. Somebody was in the way, and I'm like, ugh, let me wait until they're done taking their photos. But we got the shots, and I think they came out bomb. So I can't wait to show you guys how it looked. My eyes are watery right now. I need to take my allergy medicine, but I don't have anything right now. But I'm going home today, so I'll be fine. I will put my big panties on and be a big girl and suffer. Yeah, guys. I'll see you guys later.